I made this small little add-on. So once you've installed it, you go to mesh and then add times table like that, and then you can change the radius. You can always do that later as well, and then changing the base will increase the number of points, and changing the multiplier will increase, well, the multiplier. So I made an old video about this where I programmed this in processing. If you look up times table and then search for the video by Mathologer, he will explain how this works. The basic idea is just you pretend like this is something like a clock. For example, so if this was a clock, there would be 12, and let's set this to, I don't know, 2. Then you say, okay, this is the 12, right? Then here, okay, what's 1 times 2? Because the multiplier is 2, that's 2, so you connect it with 2. What's 2 times 2? That's 4, so you go to the 4 on the clock, and obviously 3 times 2 is 6, so you go here, 6 is at the bottom. And just like that you get the pattern. If you change the multiplier to 3, then 1 times 3 is 3, and you get this pattern. And if you pretend that there's a clock with more than 12 numbers, maybe 60, as if we had all the minutes, then you would get something like this. And if you increase this, then it goes to this nice pattern, this cardioid or nephroid. And let's change this to something low, and you can add a skin modifier, so yeah, I have some actual geometry, but this is really going to be really slow. You can use this to change the radius. So I suggest not doing this and just doing it after you've got a nice figure that you want. So yeah, the code for this is not that difficult. So if you're interested in how how you could make an add-on like this, basically this is all the code to generate the vertices. So we're really just multiplying and then taking it modulo the base. These are the parameters with the default values and the minimum and maximum. And then this is just to add the skin modifier, and this is to make the panel that you just saw. So yeah, the code for this is also on GitHub, so that's where you can get it. Just there are also some other add-ons there. Just for example, click on this one, then you can download it somewhere. I don't usually download it like this, but yeah, you can get the file and then install it in Blender through add-on, in edit preferences, add-ons, install from file, and then find it. So yeah, that's it.